All right, folks, hello, and welcome back to another episode of While True Learn. And we are 83% of the way toward our cat speech recognition system. I do believe I have to go back down here and do, a couple of these extra ones. Didn't we do, yeah, that's right. I can only have spots for 3 startups. And I did sell one recently. 43, 456. Let's go to the tree. Let's go do this first startup that's down here that I didn't do. Was it rare items? No, I already did this one, right? Startup is closed. Yep. Yep, that one is good. Go back. The Evolver, I believe, is the one where scientific laboratory want to launch a scientific startup. Programmer who can write a small part of it. Optimized library. Okay, let's do it. We'll add one of these. Okay. Okay. Hmm. How to start? I'm going to start with this. Boom. Because first thing I want to do is at least with one of these. Should I have it tripled out? See, I can't tell. And it seems like overkill to do this, but I want. No, let's just do this one. I want a sifter here. If it's a triangle, it's gonna go down here because I can take any color. Else, I can actually pop it back up into a genetic solver. And if it's so, this will be a circle or a square. We can say if it's a red circle, if it's red and a circle, you can go into there. If it's green, a green square, it can go to either. We'll try to split these up. Well, let's do that first, and then if it's blue, then if it's a blue circle, I don't know if this is the best way to do this or not. If it's a blue circle, it can go to there. Is that the best way to do it? It's going to just cost a lot of money is the problem. Else. Yeah, so let me think. Red squares, blue squares don't go anywhere. Yellow, red and blue, but green circles don't go anywhere. Okay. I think this is okay. Seems kind of... Yeah, I don't know. I don't know about this. The other side of the balancer, I want to... Yeah, because the slowest part's going to be the sifter. So I do want to go to this. Again, I think I am going to get 3 sifters for the 3 different colors. And I'm going to go... If it's red and it's a... Oh, because I have to go to separate ones. If it's red and it's a triangle, I want you to go there. Else... Else, if it's a circle, go here. Else trash. Actually, we can just get a different trash can. Make that easy. If it's green and a square, it's going to go... I'll put the last one up there. So let me put this one here. Else you're going to trash. And if you're blue and a circle, you go here. Else if you're a triangle, you go here. Else you go there. You can have 80%, which I'm going to because my genetic solvers, they're already optimized at 9%, but there will be some misses in there. God, this one really backs up. These things really back up. I never gave this one an input. Okay. Missed this as an input. And it's blue circle, right? Yeah, let's see if that helps this at all. I mean, it helps it some. This is getting really bogged down. This one's keeping up a little bit better. Because it splits them all out. But I don't need it split out yet. I kind of wish I could get rid of this. Though it's for, you know what? It's just for, let's release it. It's for a startup, so it'll just be a nice little startup. We'll hit next day. And that income was bad. Is it going to get better? Okay, it got better immediately. Whew. Thank goodness. Let's jump back in the tree. And I think RL3 is next. Since these are difficult, though. So this is a SIFT classification of objects. Okay, so this one actually, this makes more sense. Like this one shows road or, yeah, processes objects. So out of this one's going to come car road blockage. Let's see. No. All three. Can you choose what these are? No. So this is going to be either road or no road. Wait. Question to either this or road. Okay, wait. I think I understand this. I think. Yeah, start with the question mark. So we start with this top one. We have either this object coming out of it or this object coming out of it. If it's the road, I think we go into the RL agent. If it's this one, we got to figure out what it is. Oh, and then we still send in both the RL agent. I mean, it's going to be the same for all these, right? So let's just go. I could put them all into one, but I don't see the point. Let me see. Okay, we are appropriately getting items into there that it's supposed to be getting. That's good. Let's tune it. Until this stage, your specimen could only mutate and multiply. Crossover allows the species to crossbreed and produce offspring. All this machine learning. This thing will allow you to create more children in each area. By destroying the parents, it will increase the speed of the evolution. Okay. So, keep in mind, I'm not doing anything in this. The one I have to drive. This one, I'm just kind of clicking buttons and setting sliders, but I don't know what to set the sliders to. I'm going to auto-evolve it. Let it do its thing. Move, buddy, move. Yeah, and I can't steer this thing. So it sees it. Now move to the right. Now move to the right. So the epochs are taking much longer to go. Just to make sure, yeah. I can't move. That's just moving the speed. Yeah. So I'm not doing anything. I'm not in control of anything. I've reached my last epoch. So is my test run good? I mean, he's not going fast enough, right? He's supposed to go 50? Gotta go 53. So, do I train it again? I mean, is this training the better one? And we're going faster, but he needs to learn to move lanes. No, he's not going fast enough still. He keeps slowing down. I don't... Fast generation change. Let's train it this way. What does that mean? I mean, do I not want to evolve it? Okay, that was good. That was good. Now move over again. Will you move over? Will you move over? I don't know if there's a benefit to having the auto evolve on or not. You're only 50, but you're stuck behind a car. If you move... Somehow it doesn't see car. Well, it didn't. It's just... I don't understand. Let's do a test run. He's just not going. I don't... Give it 10. Give it a bigger population size. I don't know. I don't know. Train. Mean speed 50.58. It mutated 24 times. 26 times. Definitely going faster. But now he's stuck behind the car again. Oh, move out of the way. There you go. There you go. No. Faster, faster, faster. There you go. There you go. There you go. Now move. Yeah, there you go. No. Move. Move over. Go faster. Move over again. See that car. Learn. I don't understand what I'm doing with these ones. Which is a wild man. I mean, I know I've got it mutating a bunch of times right now, which is probably not, the best for this, but... Okay. Let's just test run it. He's not going any faster. He was going so much faster in the... There. And fast generation changes. And training. And auto evolve. There we go. Okay, that's looking better. Okay. Okay. Do I just have to train it a bunch of times? Hidden thing? I don't quite know. Yeah, this is looking real close to... Good, there we go. Gold. Accept. We did it. Okay, let's go to this other one. Hopefully we can get out of these RL agents. And so I'm assuming that means I did that, right? Yeah, it tells me about my nodes. Doesn't tell me how many of these are coming in, though. It says I can use 6, so I'm assuming I can just use... all these, just like I did last time. There, that there, that there. Let's just make sure we got this right again. Test run. Yeah, okay, that's all the right stuff going in. Tune it. Feel free to experiment. Mutation rates define how drastically a gene will change. Okay, let's put it right there in the middle. And like that. Fast gen changes. Train. Auto evolve. Oh, this is a multi-lane road. Your model has achieved the target speed level. Really? Test run? I'll take it. Release. I'm a data scientist. Woohoo. Okay. I think I'm done with those. Stat simple. Back to more standard. Blues, reds. Okay. A sift does not. So the decision tree using 2 of these doesn't help. The way I can use the decision tree here, though, is if I go like this. No. Hold on. Let's first start out with red, blue. I'm still going to have green coming in. And then I can go both of these to a blue, green, and then red, green. So we can get rid of all my greens. In this trash can. Don't need them. I only want, if it's red, I just need to sift it 4 circles. Otherwise, go to the trash. And if it's blue, it can be, I need to actually sift it for squares. And squares will go to the trash and everything else will go there. Do I have too many nodes, did it say? It's interesting that you can have, you only need 75. Hold on, let's edit this scheme. Because 4 nodes is all you need. Filtering out the green. Let's see how important that is. Filtering out the green is important because it's a lot of them. It almost looks like sending all the blues in. That'd be 21. 7, 14, 21. No, because if I send the 7 blue squares in, instead of sending that through a sifter. I was going to say that was going to be less because it's 7 out of 21. So that's 33%. That would be wrong. I only need 25% to be wrong. But I forgot the same reds go in there. So I honestly think that getting rid of this and going like that is a thing. I think that's going to get rid of one of the nodes and still have my percentage what I need it at. I need one more node, though. I'm well over 75%. What is the better way? How do I get rid of one more node? I mean, I have to do the sift. Yeah, I have to do the sift on the red. There's no way around that. If I send both blues and half of those greens out there, does that... I need 27 total. You know what? If I only deal with the blues. And do the blues perfect. Oh no, that doesn't work. Yeah, because this will be. Yeah, I was thinking for some reason somehow I could do this, and then send this to the trash. That would still be 27 in there, but it'll be a lot higher of an incorrect percentage. And I think this number only counts the right ones that have made it in here. Oh my god, that is the way to do it. It must just not count just the right ones, because I just sent in 28 items. 7 of them were wrong. And that's exactly, how is that 75%? Because 21 correct and 7 wrong. How does that give you a 75%? 7 out of 21 is 33. It should be a 66% accuracy. I'm going to release it, though. I'm... Maybe somebody in the comments, if you're following along, will fill me in on if my thinking's wrong or if the game's incorrect. I just don't get that one. Shape recognition, which haven't we been doing shape recognition? Isn't that what this whole game has been? Square. I mean, this is square, square, circle, end. How many balancers or anything? Oh, sorry. Didn't want you. So I can't make this, like, this is as efficient as it can be to have 100% accuracy. I feel like this is a very strange level to be thrown in here. Okay? That's what we've been doing the whole time with a lot of this stuff. Fruits and vegetables. Again, we have this percentage. So anything blue is allowed to go through. And it goes to the top. So we're going to go blue, green. That's what we need. And then we'll need ones of these here to separate this out further. And it'll be blue, red. I'll just switch it around to make it easier. Blue. Red's going to go to a trash can. Green is going to go green, red. That's going to separate those out. The greens do need to go to a dual decision tree. Greens, if I pump in, actually I don't need this decision tree set. I think if I just pump the greens into here, I'm going to hit the 90% that I need to. Let's find out. That way I don't have to do any of the crazy stuff. Oh, was that not quite 90%? What is it, like 89? I want to wait till this time's out so I can see. 85. So out of 30, 5 out of 30. I'm gonna see if this map adds up. Get my phone out here. Just do 5. To make sure I'm not crazy. Calc. 5 out of 30 is what? 0.16. It's about 16%. So okay, so I could buy that this one is accurately telling me it's 85% because 100 minus 16, 84. I think it'd be a little bit less, but I can buy. So this one I agree with the math, but that does mean I have to filter out the triangles. And what I'm wondering, I still need 20 of them, right? I have 30 coming through. Can I just go... We do do triangles on one side and then say give me any on the other and just send the any's in? And the triangles go to the trash? Will that work? I'm still going to get some triangles coming through down here. But then I should have everything else coming through down here. And this should only be triangles on this top line. And that'll be definitely in the 90%. Because this just saves me to add from adding one more decision tree. Some decision shape. Why am I... Stop. Okay. Green to there. Red to trash. Triangles to trash there. There. Let's try that again. There's a couple of the triangles went up that way. That was actually 100% accuracy. Either that was really good random. I thought it was going to go to the triangle. I thought it said if it... Maybe it was really good random. And it always just went to the top since there was only 5 of them. It's possible. It's possible. Oop, here's the end of the week. I did make some money off of all these. And... Oh, no, the video's getting a little long already. Let's see if I can clean up. Oh, there's 3 of them left. I'm not going to have the ability to do that. And I have all these new tech starters. What is this one? And Perceptrons. Let's just... Oh, this is going on another epoch. To go more of the story. Yeah, it looks like I still got a decent amount left of the story. We will look at this classified mail. See if we're going to do it. This looks easy enough. Red, blue. We do have balancers. Probably going to have the same thing on both sides of this thing. But we'll start with red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And then it'll be... I don't want a dual decision tree. These are 50% accuracies. So let's take a look if I can do this. Let's just move you without having to do this 100%. So red, blue, red, green, green trash, red here. Send me your circles. Triangles there. I'm going to get some of them wrong. Blue. Blue, green. Send me your triangles. Some of those are still going to be wrong. I take this balancer out of the equation for now just to see if this works. I want to see if my percentages are going to be okay. Oh, that's a 75% one. I did not realize that. Did this not hit? This one's fine. It's this one just didn't quite hit the 75%, right? Yeah, this one's fine. It got the 73%. Okay. And based on the number of nodes, I actually can't speed this up anymore. But I need another one of these. Same old thing. Triangle that way, and then squares go that way. I can't balance this thing out because there'll just be too many. What one backs up? This one's backing up a lot. What's happening here? What happened here? Oh, green never went to the trash can? Yeah. Is that what happened before and I just didn't pay attention and notice? We'll see if I can make the time or not. He's 15. Silver. Let's edit 40. I'm only a second and a half behind. I only have one more thing. So if so I can't even add a balancer and then send it to do something else. Um, um, hmm, 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 hmm. How can I do this differently to make this go somewhat faster? Playing with that 75%, actually, I can. I can go like this, like this, like this, and like this. These will fill up faster because it'll go into the balancer. Some will go down here. I'll get some more inaccuracy, but right now I'm going to be at 100% the way I have this. But I should be within my 75%. There we go. That's how it's done. Play with those numbers and not really care. All right, guys. Thanks for staying tuned for another episode of While True Learn. We are still only 83% toward cat speech recognition because I've been doing these side quests instead of going through and continuing on the epoch. So maybe next time we'll just zip through the epochs or the next path to follow, and then we'll come back and finish any side quests at a later time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.